In this video, you'll learn to make a lightweight, waterproof board that you can use to secure your paper while you work. You'll need a piece of corrugated cardboard at least 1 inch larger in both dimensions than the paper size you intend to paint on. For example, if you're painting on a quarter sheet of watercolor paper, that's 11 by 15 inches, so your cardboard would need to be at least 12 by 16 inches. You'll also need some clear packing tape of the type used to seal packages. Using overlapping strips of clear packing tape, completely cover one side of the board. You can either trim the ends of the tape flush with the board, or wrap them around and stick them on the back. Now completely cover the back side of the board with overlapping strips of clear packing tape as well. Use additional strips of clear packing tape to cover the edges of the board so that no water can seep in. Be sure to cover all 4 edges. To use your board, center your piece of watercolor paper and using white or tan regular masking tape, tape down all 4 sides of the paper, overlapping the paper by approximately 1/4 to 1/2 inch. When you finish painting, leave the paper taped to the board until it is completely dry. Watercolor paper may expand and buckle when wet, but if you leave it taped down until it's dry, it will flatten out again. If you wish, you could also tape your paper to another rigid waterproof support such as a scrap piece of plexiglass, plastic cutting board, or gator board. These do not need to be covered with clear packing tape as the surface is already impervious to water. However, cardboard is inexpensive, readily available, and one of the lightest boards for transporting to class.